Alright, well guys, good news. What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we getting ready to head over to the paint shop. I noticed some imperfections in my door. The only reason I took it up there because this was an insurance claim. So I had to take it up there. Otherwise we would have did it ourselves. But we're gonna go see if these guys honor their business and take care of their customers, because I gotta get this thing fixed. Like I told y'all in previous videos, we want to get it wrapped and stuff like that. So my door needs to be aligned, and then there's some little spots on the door. So I'll show y'all right now. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but yeah, y'all can see it on the camera. So like that right there, that's gonna show up like if we wrap it. You know what I mean? It's like 1, 2, 3 little spots. And then this door needs to be lined up. And it's a little spot right there, like, I don't know where that came from. I guess from like when they painted it. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go run up there, see if these guys will take care of us. I ain't got my windsock on today, so y'all gotta excuse the audio. Actually, my mic is messed up. My big mic. So, but yeah, we're gonna roll on out and head on up there. We'll see what they say. Hopefully they take care of us, man. Alright, well, it's too hot to have the air off, so I'll turn y'all back on when we get back up there. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Fuck all that protesting and marching peacefully. They still gon' find a way to handle us egregiously.
We made it up here. I don't know if they're gonna let me record, but we'll see what's going on real quick. Alright, see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, they told me come back a little later on to the paint shop, so I'm gonna run by Best Buy and see if I can take this mic back, because my mic been acting weird. So I'm gonna see if they'll take it back. I don't know, I think it's been over a year, I'm not sure, but we're gonna go check that out and then we'll shoot by the paint shop. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Best Buy. Grab all my stuff. I really don't even think they're gonna take this microphone back, but worth a try. And I park, y'all see how I be parking. I park way down here. Forget that. Yeah. Let me know how y'all day going. Let me know what's going on with the cars, everything like that. Hopefully these guys will fix my door, man. That way we can go ahead and get that thing wrapped. I'm tired of it. I'm over it. I'm tired of the imperfections. I just want to get the spots fixed, get that boy wrapped up. Let me holler at these people real quick. I'm bringing this in. It's a microphone. Good. Or do you need to put like a sticker or something? Alright, appreciate it. Good enough. Sit there, let me bring it back. Y'all didn't even tell me I didn't have my mask on. I need a new phone case too. Let's go over here and see if they got a replacement mic anyway. They probably don't. Gotta have that good audio, man. Got to. Golly. That's the only one they got? $229. That's the only mic too. For this one, oh, hold on. The video mic, the Rode Go. What is that? That's 100. That ain't that bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it anyway. It don't matter. I'm gonna see if they can look this other one up. See if I can at least get some money back or something. I don't know. I'm finna go. Let's see what they say about this mic. That mug hard. See if I can look this up. Alright, I'm gonna turn y'all off for a minute. Let me see if they can look up this mic. See if I can get anything back for it. Alright guys, we're out of there. We did pick up a new mic, so they didn't give me coverage on the other one. It's been over a year. I probably had to send it back to the manufacturer. So anyways, we're gonna head over to the paint shop now. Let's see what these guys are gonna do. Yeah. It's gonna take up all my day, guys. Golly. It's all good. I really didn't have too much to do today anyways. Alright, we're gonna head on over there. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Got that new mic on. How's it sound? Y'all let me know. Alright, let's get to the dang paint shop finally. You see it? It's just like 3 little dots. I mean, it's not bad. But like through the,
like it's chipped right here.
But like through the wrap, if I wrap it, you're gonna see that.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that'll come off, especially that one.
So if you pull that thing, it'll snap off.
And then,
and when we repaired it, do you remember what they repaired on here?
They did this whole, the whole side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. You got a lot of time.
And then like,
just the door then.
see that?
So when you took it, that door, was it like that or?
No,
it started slowly by?
No, it wasn't even like this.
So.
It wasn't leaking in here, so I didn't worry about it.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, the door never
Right.
shut back good. And then I don't know what the heck is. They painted this whole side all the way to
the back?
to right here.
Right.
Well, what's his name painted it with the Cadillac? I mean, he's good people. But like I said, I don't know. I don't know what happened.
All right, let me get the foreman, see what day we can probably bring you in so we can get this situated for you. You sure you didn't hit it right here or anything?
I don't know. I don't think so. It's like it's cracking. I don't know. See how it's starting to crack?
All right, let me go take a look at that.
See, like, I don't know. See how this is? It's not lined up. You can see it off. So I don't know. Bro.
All right, let me go get him so that way you can take a look. Maybe he'll remember since he's been here for like over
Yeah, he's been here a long time. Yeah.
All right, give me 1 second.
All right, appreciate it, man. They said lifetime warranty on it, so we'll see what they'll do. Hopefully they take care of us. I just want to get these spots fixed, and then we can get this thing looking like we want it to look. So, all right, I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. Triple A and J, they gonna take care of me, so we should have everything fixed. I'm gonna drop it off Monday morning. We got a show Saturday, so y'all stay tuned for that. So I'll probably drop, I don't know which video I'm gonna drop first. But anyways, yeah, we do have a show Saturday, so I'm gonna do the show, bring the car up here Monday, and we're gonna get this thing knocked out. And shout out to these guys for honoring their work, and they're gonna go ahead and take care of us. So, all right, guys, that didn't take long. We're here to pick up the C7. I think it took them like maybe 5 days, or no, it's been about a week. No, Monday.
4 days.
Yeah, it's been a couple of days, so they're done with it. We're gonna check it out real quick and take her to the house. Y'all get ready for that wrap, man. It's gonna be crazy. All right. Looks good. Looks real good. I'll show y'all more when we get to the house. All right. Got baby girl back. Man, we missed you. All right, guys, made it to the house. Now we're in the sun. Let's check this out. Good. They did a good job. Yeah, they did a good job. And the door shut right now. I don't want to touch it. But y'all remember how the door was and this was all messed up? Oh, that looks good. That part was messed up. Heck yeah. Hey, y'all don't throw no balls and stuff out here. What you doing out here?
I thought you said you sold it.
Yeah, they thought I sold the car. But alright, guys, I'm gonna get with y'all in the next video. Shout out to AAA and J Collision, man. They honored their work, and man, they fixed that for free, man. They didn't charge me nothing at all, and I really appreciate that. Anyways, we'll lock back in with y'all in the next video. Peace.